Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to watch movies in VRchat Popcorn Palette. So let's start. This answer you can find on Reddit. If you are wondering how you can watch it, well, this is the answer for you. So if you are wondering how to do it, well, this answer is help you. You can check that stumbling across the street. You don't need to join to their score, and you can go to the link here, and then it told you that you can start watching the movies on Popcorn Palace, and then you can try to work in this way, and well, then you have to go to the game, no? Then you have here the link to the score also. If you want the link, you can join them, and it says that, well, you need to go there and to join to the channel on Discord. Then you can join to the Popcorn Palace on the game. So I wonder if I can do it, and then if you do it, well, you can start watching the movies there in the game without any problem. So that's how you can start working there. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.